Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones Day trade setup for today. So yesterday we had a bit of bad news come into the market, and that was that the apparently miracle vaccine was a failure, and obviously we were moving up due to positive news on the virus, and then also the Feds pumping money into the market, but that quickly got very volatile yesterday, and we've ended up with a pin bar basically. And the interesting thing is it's right off a Fibonacci level, but we'll look at that on the lower time frame. So this trend line, upward trend line, as far as I'm concerned, has potentially been retested right now, and we are now expecting the continuation to the downside. Okay, so that's how quickly our views can change of this market at the moment. Yesterday we were looking for longs, we got the longs, but I suppose this 3-hour bar here was a telltale sign. It was an exhaustion bar straight onto a level, and that level was a Fibonacci retracement. And if we just put that in, you'll see what I mean. There's the 61.8 right over there, and you can see there's a little Brooks gap inside here, so the inside tail here pretty much tagged it to the T. Also a pivot from 2 days ago. And that's basically what happened. Immediately, market reversed off that and promptly took out all the gains. So at the moment we are moving to the upside, but that's typical of this time of the morning. So what I'd be looking for is opportunities to be short. Okay, so what I want to do is just get rid of that. And I want to highlight the fractional levels. There's the fractional that I'm looking at on the 3-hour, and that's a top fractional on the 3-hour. Now we can just start moving down to the lower time frames and seeing what that entails. Okay, so you can see we have a couple of fractals here. I'm just going to use 2. So that's the zone that we need to get below. Well, basically what we're looking for is a break below that. So looking at the oscillators on the hour, doesn't look too rosy. Looks like we should be expecting a bit of a move up. Now there are 2 scenarios here, and this is something which I'm seeing happen fairly regularly now. So first thing is, of yesterday's down move, is a retracement back to the 50 or back to the 61.8, and then another opportunity to be short. Okay, that's the one scenario. Okay, and then the other scenario would be a retest of that trend line. Now that trend line is these first 3 bars here. Okay, so basically back into this area and then down. So in saying that, I'm going to make it a little bit more noisy. There is a breakout retest here as well. And you'll see that that breakout retest almost coincides with this downward trend line. Okay, so for me today, being Friday as well, I'm looking for opportunities to be short, but obviously not where we are at the moment. That does look like a bit of a inverse head and shoulders that's brewing right now, and that's going to give me a little bit of a move to the upside of 112 points. There we go, smack onto this area here. So that's the area that I think I'd be watching at the moment. So I want to see what price does at 23,488. Okay, if we do get to that area, and at the same time I can do that quickly. That trend line's broken, as you can see. So between that fractional and that fractional, that trend line has broken, retested, and we're now moving to the upside. So the next thing to do is just line it up there. And this area here is what we're looking for. Yeah, so 23,488 is the first area I'll be looking at for an entry short. The next area I'll be looking at is 23,577, and thereafter I'd also be looking at 23,649 if it gets that high. At the moment, I think we're just forming a bit of a flag. And so this is the downward move, and the flag has been formed. Come on, let's just get this right here. So there's firstly it's a triangle, and if we just do that, that's the one flag. Wrong. And you can see how all these fractals line up with that level. So that's sort of a micro level 23,400 area. It's interesting to see what happens there. Alternatively, something along the lines of that. Okay, and there's at a 150 EMA, sort of just above us on the 15 here as well, which is right over here. Okay, anyway guys, lots of noise there. So I think for me, just to simplify this, that would be the first area. Let's get to the hour here. That would be the first area. This weight is a lot of price action there that would indicate to me that something should happen in that area. Okay, so just want to put up my dashboard quickly. Give me 1 second. So the Dow was basically flat yesterday, so 0.17 that it finished yesterday. Futures at the moment is 0.21 down. Okay, so pretty much the gains that we got were lost. We do have a little gap here as well to close. There it is there. So yeah, I think the key thing is going to be an hour close below the low of yesterday, and we've already got that. And then the next thing is to get a 3 hour or a 4 hour close below that. And right now, we don't have a 4 hour, 3 hour close below that, the low of yesterday. So that is critical. We need to get that. So that's why I'm saying retest of this area here, and then another move to the downside. And I think your first target is going to be the testing of the lows. The first target is going to be the testing of these lows here. But if you look very carefully at what's transpiring here, that is quite a big head and shoulders. Okay, we have sort of a double left shoulder ahead, and we have the right shoulder here. So a break below this level here, 22931, that is going to give you a measured move pretty much down to close this gap here. Okay, you see how that lines up perfectly with the next breakout retest. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for me today. Looking for the pullback, and then looking to see what price action does at the next level. And what you can do is just on the 12 or 15 minute chart, just highlight your 3 areas near that major 1 hour inside bar. So those are the 3 areas. That's the kind of thing that I want to see. Okay. The only other thing that's going to change my mind is if we break below one of these fractals. Well, pretty much at this stage, it's this level here. Just adjust that. And then you see break below 23,335. Okay, so if we don't get any higher and we just start breaking, that's the area for me for a short with a stop above the high. But I think we should retrace a little bit, and then from that area will be a shorting opportunity. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. I'm also not holding over the weekend, so it'll be purely a day trade. Wait for something to tell us what's going on, and then get in for that short and get out of it later today. Hope that helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.